Coach T here, walking with my mom. Out here getting out 1 mile in a day. Thinking Thursday. So what? So, remember when I was a little kid, I always used to think about, hey, and life goes on. Things happen around me in the school system, at school, in the neighborhood, in the community, at home, in my own house. And the only thing I think about is ... and life goes on. So I'm saying, and so what? So what now? So what? We know that we had a former president going through a situation with the government. So what? So what? We know that the former president took a lot of I can't even say the word right now. Sensitive items and documents, confidential documents from the White House when he left. So what? So what that, hey, right now we have people that they're passing laws that's been enacted for a long time. They're repassing these laws now to activate them again. So what? So what that we can't work together as a black race or a black culture or black community or black people can't find common grounds to work together. So what? Another church rides and open on which corner, in which shopping center, or which marketplace. So what? So what that our kids are getting passed and getting A's and B's, and the scores keep the expectation is lower and lower and lower, so more kids can make A's and B's. So what? So what? People go to college, and I want to go to college because they want to outdo the people in their class. They're not going to college just to learn for themselves. They just want to say, hey, I got a higher grade than the person in class with me. So what? So what that you work in a group of people and only 1 or 2 people, you got a group of 5 and only 3 people do the work. 2 people ride and they get the same grade. So what? So what that now we look at average as okay, and average is the way of life, and as long as you average, you did everything you can do. So what? So all I'm asking you is to think about some of the things I just said. Look at it from a different perspective than just so what, right? We can do something about it if we choose. It is hard, it's not easy. It is a problem and it is a challenge. We can overcome it and we can solve it. So it's all about your mindset and what you would like to do and what difference you would like to make. So many people born on a daily basis saying they want to make a difference. Fortunately, I'm one of those people that would like to make a difference. Just need the right people to center myself around and to be hanging around to be able to make that big difference. So Coach T, why always be great? So what?